Finding the perfect highlighter can feel overwhelming with so many options on the market. A great highlighter doesn't just enhance your features, it adds dimension, a youthful glow, and an irresistible radiance. But with varied textures, finishes, and formulas, which ones truly stand out? Today, we'll cover 5 of the best highlighters that cater to different preferences, budgets, and skin types. By the end of this video, you'll know which one deserves a spot in your makeup routine. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow highlighter is a cult favorite among beauty enthusiasts. Known for its luminous finish and luxurious packaging, this highlighter delivers a Hollywood-worthy glow in just one swipe. Key features: formulated with finely milled shimmer particles, the Hollywood Glow highlighter blends seamlessly into the skin, leaving no trace of glitter. It features a universally flattering champagne gold hue that works beautifully on various skin tones. The addition of light-reflecting pearls enhances the skin's natural radiance, giving it a lit-from-within look. Benefits and usage: this highlighter's creamy powder texture makes it versatile, whether you're going for a soft daytime glow or an intense strobing effect. Simply use a fan brush for subtle application or layer it with your fingertips for a more dramatic finish. It's also buildable, ensuring no cakey appearance. Usability: perfect for all skin types, including oily and combination skin, this highlighter doesn't emphasize texture or fine lines. It's lightweight and long-wearing, keeping your glow intact throughout the day. Durability: the Hollywood Glow highlighter lasts up to 8 to 10 hours without fading, making it a reliable choice for long events. Its sturdy compact, with a built-in mirror, also ensures it's travel-friendly. In the second spot, we have Hourglass Ambient Strobe. The Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Highlighter is a game-changer for those who crave an ethereal glow. With its innovative formula, this highlighter adds depth and dimension to your complexion effortlessly. Key features: featuring photoluminescent technology, the formula captures, diffuses, and softens surrounding light, resulting in a natural yet striking glow. Available in multiple shades, it caters to varying skin tones and preferences. The finely pressed powder ensures smooth application without any fallout. Benefits and usage: this highlighter is ideal for achieving a soft focus effect. Dust it lightly over your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow for a radiant finish. It's easy to layer over foundation or wear on bare skin for a dewy look. Usability: best suited for normal to dry skin, the Ambient Strobe highlighter is non-drying and blends effortlessly. Its sheer to buildable coverage makes it perfect for both minimalists and makeup lovers. Durability: with a wear time of 6 to 8 hours, this highlighter is dependable for most occasions. Its sleek and durable packaging is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Coming in at number 3 is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit is a versatile palette designed for those who love to experiment with their glow. Featuring multiple shades, this highlighter palette allows endless possibilities for customizing your look. Key features: each glow kit contains 4 highly pigmented shades ranging from soft golds to rich bronzes. The buttery texture ensures seamless blending, while the formula is free from chunky glitter. Its versatile tones suit various skin tones, making it a staple for professionals and beginners alike. Benefits and usage: use the shades individually for a subtle glow or mix them to create a multidimensional effect. Apply with a brush for precise application or your fingers for an extra pop of shine. It doubles as eyeshadow, making it a multi-purpose addition to your collection. Usability: the glow kit is suitable for all skin types, as it doesn't emphasize texture. The smooth formula adheres well to both powdered and liquid foundations, ensuring versatility. Durability: expect the glow kit to last for 7 to 9 hours without fading. Its sturdy magnetic packaging protects the pans, making it travel-friendly. Taking our 4th spot is Maybelline Master Chrome. The Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter proves that you don't need to splurge for a high-quality glow. This drugstore gem has taken the beauty world by storm for its intense pigmentation and affordability. Key features: infused with metallic pigments, this highlighter delivers an intense chrome-like finish. Available in shades like molten gold and rose gold, it's designed to enhance the skin's natural warmth. Its soft, buttery texture ensures a smooth application every time. Benefits and usage: ideal for those who love a bold highlight, this product can be layered for maximum impact. Sweep it over the high points of your face for a radiant glow, or use it as an eyeshadow for a cohesive look. Usability: suitable for all skin types, including oily skin, this highlighter is easy to work with. It blends effortlessly and doesn't settle into fine lines, making it a favorite among all age groups. Durability: with a wear time of 6 to 8 hours, the Master Chrome Highlighter is reliable for daily use and special occasions. Its compact size makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. And finally, at number 5, we have Rare Beauty Positive Light. The Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer redefines what a liquid highlighter can do. Designed by Selena Gomez, this product combines innovation with inclusivity, offering a radiant glow for everyone. Key features: available in multiple shades, this highlighter features an ultra-lightweight formula enriched with skin-loving ingredients like sunflower seed oil. Its liquid consistency blends like a dream, providing a dewy finish that looks natural and luminous. Benefits and usage: the doe foot applicator allows precise application, whether you're highlighting your cheekbones, mixing it with your foundation, or layering it over makeup. Its formula is buildable, letting you go from a soft glow to a blinding highlight effortlessly. Usability: perfect for all skin types, especially dry or combination skin, this highlighter adds hydration while delivering radiance. It's easy to blend with your fingers, a sponge, or a brush, making it versatile for all skill levels. Durability: expect this highlighter to last up to 8 hours without smudging or fading. Its compact design with a secure lid ensures no spillage during travel. Choosing the perfect highlighter can elevate your makeup game, adding a radiant glow that enhances your natural beauty. Whether you're after a subtle sheen or an intense shine, the products we discussed today cater to various preferences and needs. From the luxurious Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow to the versatile Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer, there's something here for everyone. Try these standout options and let your glow shine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. See you next time.